Hello Divi members, my name is Gulati and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the Divi agency child theme and then how you can install the demo content of it. Okay, let's go to my screen and I will show you how you can do that. Alright, so as you can see on my screen, this is the Divi agency child theme and this is the demo WordPress. Like if you see agency.duogeeks.com, this is the demo website that you saw before purchasing the this child theme. Okay, now I'm using this testing WordPress to show you how you can install the Divi theme and then how you can install this Divi agency child theme and then how you can import the demo content. Okay, so first thing first you have to install the Divi theme. That is very important because without that you won't be able to import or install the child theme. Okay, now to do that you just have to I'm pretty sure that you know how to install the Divi theme. Okay, so let me just quickly do that and then we will move forward with the child theme. Alright, as you can see on my screen, the Divi theme is installed and now you just have to click on this activate button, and once you click on this activate, the theme will be activated and you can delete other theme because we don't want that, and that will increase the load time. Alright, once you have installed the Divi theme, make sure to input the username and API key so you will get the future updates. Alright, now let's go to the plugins and click on this add new, and we have to install the plugin that you got once you have purchased the child theme. Okay, now let me tell you before that, here is the file that you will get once you have purchased the child theme. Okay, so here it is written extract first agency child theme. Now you have to extract it and then we have to install the plugin. Okay, because inside this you will get two files or maybe three files: license, readme, and the plugin itself. Okay, so now once this is extracted, you just have to click on this, and this is the zip file that we have to install. But maybe you will think, how do we extract it, because we don't have any software for that. So let me just tell you, you can use WinZip or WinRAR to do that, and both software are free for Windows and as well as Mac OS. Okay, so you don't have to worry. If in case you have any problem in extracting, you just contact me, support@duogeeks.com, or using the website like diviawesome.com, and then at the right bottom we have contact us. You can contact from there as well. Okay, now let me click on this browse button and then let me just navigate the child theme, which is in the agency extract. Yeah, this one. Okay, this is the plugin that we are going to install, and let me just click on this open install now. Now this will take a couple of seconds, and then once this is installed, then we have to import the demo content. Alright, as you can see, the plugin is installed. Now we just have to click on this activate plugin, and once we click on this activate, the plugin got activated, and here you can see the Divi Awesome logo, which is our company. And here you can see the contact button, so if in case you have any problem, you can also click on this, and this will redirect you to Gmail or whatever the mail provider you use, and then you can send me an email with your question or with your problem. Okay, now these are the content that we are going to import, like post, pages, product, and set home page, widget, menu, Divi library, templates, and all those stuff. But you have to make sure that these plugins should be enabled. Okay, alright, now once you have checked that everything is enabled, then you have to click on this begin site import. Okay, now once you click on this begin site import, this will take around 5 to 10 minutes, or maybe it can take less than 5 minutes, depend on your internet speed, because there are a lot of images and files that this plugin have to import. So I will just fast forward this video so you don't have to wait that much. Okay, alright, as you can see on my screen, the package has been imported, and now we just have to click on this view side. So we have to verify all the files and everything is imported or not, and if there is any problem or everything is okay. Okay, now let me just okay, this will take a couple of seconds to load everything because we just imported the demo content, so it can take a couple of seconds to load everything like images, font, and these icons. Okay, so you don't have to worry about that. But what you have to worry about it, because if you see over here, here is the another post that was not included in the demo content. So to delete that, because this is a default post that came from the fresh installation of WordPress, to delete that, you just have to go to the post, and then here's that post. So what you have to do is click on this trash, and the post is now gone. Okay, next thing what you have to do is click on this settings and then go to the permalinks, because this is very important for your SEO and for your website as well. Because if you don't do this, then maybe most of the website got 404 page. Okay, so you have to click on this post name and then click on this save changes. Alright, now let's go to the home page and see if there is any problem or anything that we have to consider, like a priority or something. Okay, home page looks okay, perfect for me. Now let's go to the our team page and see if there is anything missing or any problem over here. Contact, okay, everything is okay. Let's click on this contact us now and see if there is any problem in this page, or if it's fine. I think yeah, it's okay. Now whole website is okay. I think everything is imported, and there is no problem in any page, I think. Okay, let's check the our portfolio, and then we can check the blog page. Blog page will be last page, like the single blog page, not this one. Let's check this one and see if there is anything. Okay, this seems perfect to me. Okay, yeah, perfect. So as you see, the Divi agency child theme, we have successfully imported the demo content and installed the child theme. Okay, so if you guys like this video and if you have any question, you can use the comment box, and definitely I will reply to that. And you can also contact me on support@duogeeks.com, and as well as on the messenger that we have on our website diviawesome.com. We have more than 100 layouts and 10 plus child themes. So if you want to have a look, I will put the link in the description, and you can have a look over there. Okay, we have all of them in our website diviawesome.com, so don't forget to check that. Okay, see you in the next video, and I hope you guys like this video, and if you did, please hit the like button. For more such videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching, and have a good day. See you soon. Take care, and bye bye.